What?
Don't move too fast when you videotape.
Okay. Okay, I'll move like this. Okay, I'll move like this.
Oh my god, you're gonna have everybody.
You gotta go to a level 3 charge.
No, literally, I'm gonna show this video to Nanny Ann. We're gonna make this one long video of about like 20
I'm gonna get
minutes.
sick.
No, you're not. No, you're not.
It's too cold.
Yeah, it charges in 20 minutes up to 80% of the battery. Oh, okay. Not 100 because it probably overheats the battery a lot. Probably. Okay. And as far as the charging station.
I wonder what my mom's up to. Hi, Mamacita.
My babycito.
Hi. Yeah, so I'm walking around. I think I might see Anton or Michael. They said they might be here. So, yeah. Yep. I do not have a lot of material.
44%.
What? Sorry.
Of course you get an electric car. Yeah. 25 a month versus 2,500
Yeah.
a year on gas.
Yeah. You do the math. It's worth it.
No problem. What's good about it, what I don't like, and I hope that it's because you're one of those people, I doubt it. But in Laval, what I don't like is the 2 SUVs in the driveway.
Oh man, when me and Nanny Ann are editing this, if I see some guy's license plate, I might have to cut that out. I might have to cover it up with something. Ooh, now? Ooh. Ah, it's too blurry. Oh, man. I told you guys I might be coughing a lot. Yeah, I said in the previous video, there's a mask shop over there. I might be 10. Deadpool. Or the Angry Birds version, Red Pool. Yeah, check out all these bikes. Damn!
C'est matin, 19?
Yeah.
Okay, there's to be a Fuzzies there.
That's right.
Right there, there's going to be an event in September.
Yeah.
My wife is organizing it, and it's free. Just you can try anywhere you want. Just show up. Try. September. Yeah.
Wow.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Let's go. Now we're going to see the house. Damn. What? No way. Ooh, check that hot. Look at that.